To buy MTN shares using your MTN MoMo, you dial *170#, 5 for financial, 6 for trade shares. You enter your MoMo PIN, 2 to buy shares, and then you choose 1 for MTN. As you can see, it tells you the market price is 4.35. So just enter the amount that you would like to buy. So this is a review page that tells you about the shares you want to buy and then how much you are spending. So you just tap on 1 to continue. And it says order has been submitted. Just like that, it will be deducted from your MoMo account. With your MTN MoMo, you can actually buy Ecobank shares. This is how you do it. You just dial *17#0. Tap on 5 for financial. Tap on 6 for trade shares. You enter your MoMo PIN. You go to 2 for buy shares. You tap on 2 for Ecobank. And this page tells you how much Ecobank is selling for at the moment. So you just enter the amount that you want to buy. Let's say I'm just buying 1 share for 15 cedis. So this is a review page for the Ecobank shares that I've just buying. So I just go to 1 to continue. And then just like that, the money would be deducted from my MoMo account. GOIL Ghana actually have their stock with MTN MoMo. So this is how you can buy it. You just dial *170#. Tap on 5 for financial. Tap on 6 for trade shares. You enter your PIN. You tap on 2 to buy shares. And then you enter 3 for the GOIL. So as you can see, the market price is 2.45. But you just enter 3 to balance the deductions. And this is a review page for the shares you are trying to buy. So when everything is just as you wanted, just continue by entering 1. And as you can see, the money will be deducted from my MoMo. To buy FanMilk Ghana stocks using your MTN MoMo, this is what you do. You just dial *170#, 5 for financial, 6 for trade shares. You enter your PIN, 2 to buy shares, and then you enter 4 for FanMilk. So as you can see, the market price is 7.98. And this is the order summary, your review page. So if it just has everything you wanted, you just continue by entering 1. And as you can see, it tells me it will be deducted from my MoMo account. To buy Ecobank shares using your MoMo, this is what you do. You dial *170#, enter 5 for financial, 6 for trade shares. You enter your PIN, 2 to buy shares, and then you select 5 for Ecobank. As you can see, the market price is 0.9. And then this is the order summary. This is the review page. So if it's just as what I wanted, I just select 1. And as you can see, it says the money will be deducted from my MoMo account. To buy NewGold Ghana's shares, this is how you go about it. First of all, you just dial *170#, and then 5 for financial. Then you enter 6 for trade shares. Then you enter your MoMo PIN. Then you enter 2 to buy shares. Then you select 6 for NewGold. So as you can see, the current market price is 449.46. So as you can see, this is a review page. And then I like the details that I'm seeing. So if you also like the details that you are seeing, and that's the exact thing that you ordered for, you just reply with 1, you continue. And as you can see, I'm being told I'll receive a prompt to be deducted from my MoMo account. Did you know you could actually buy Ghana Commercial Bank shares using your MTN MoMo? This is how you do it. You just dial *170#, 5 for financial, 6 for trade shares. You enter your PIN, 2 to buy shares. Then you enter 7 for Ghana Commercial Bank. And as you can see, it's 15 cedis per share. So yes, this is the order summary. This is my review page. If I like everything there, I just enter 1 to continue. And as you can see, it says I'll receive a prompt to submit the amount from my MoMo account.